Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Randy Cycles. Love this dealership because they take care of the riders. And they really want people to ride the bikes because a bike will sell itself. Well, we're going to find out if a bike will sell itself because this is a 2023 CFMoto IBEX 800. This is a 799cc parallel twin, claiming 94 brake horsepower, 57 foot-pounds of torque, and weighing in at 509 pounds. So, I mean, 509 pounds is not light, but this is the touring model. This is set up as kind of their ADV competitor, big ADV, or middleweight ADV competitor, or middle power, I should say, because 509 pounds again. You do have the options for bags, all that good jazz. It does come with center stand. You have fully adjustable front suspension. I believe it's rebound and compression, or rebound and preload in the rear, for a price tag of $10,499. You have spoked wheels, so you can add in some little bit more off-road style tires. This is not a bad bike at all. Cruise control and everything. The question is, how is it like to ride it on the road? Because we don't really have off-road, but we do have a road that we can go try it. So let's do that. Let's throw like, it's a taller seat height. I am 5'9", and I'm on my toes. Does have a really nice TFT display though. I turned that on a minute ago just to get a picture of it for the website. CFMoto. Down into gear. It's got some good torque pull. I don't even barely on throttle. Kind of jerky to just start off. This does have a quick shifter. We'll just kind of get a feel for it. Quick shifter is kind of clunky. Crosswind today kind of sucks. It's gonna ruin the audio, but there's not much I can do about that. Mirrors are pretty good. There, now we can actually see. The rider position is quite comfortable actually. On set. I don't know what it is, but I love cruise on a bike. Because I can just sit back for a minute and just kind of take it in. It's quite comfortable. It really is. It's quite comfortable. A little bouncy, but that's because this suspension is not tuned for me. But obviously you can tune it out to your weight. The windscreen is adjustable, so you can kind of move that up or down depending on how you fancy. So that's kind of nice. I'm trying to think of it. I mean, for $10,500, you're competing in a category that's got options that are honestly not this well equipped. You can't roll off. That I will note that. Like, you can't roll off to get out of cruise. You have to hit the brake. So it doesn't have that safety mechanism there. It'll help you when you start setting the cruise, because I've ridden a lot of bikes with cruise, because sometimes you'll set the cruise, you'll kind of roll off on accident, and then you have to reset the cruise. So of note, you do have to hit the brake to kill the cruise. Actually, I mean, it doesn't feel like it weighs 509 pounds. As I indicated, the quick shifter is clunky. It's not the worst quick shifter I've ridden, but it's nowhere close to the smoothest. The stand-up position, however, is freaking great. Wow, I really like the stand-up position on this bike. I mean, it's just easy right there. It's really good. Wow. The engine is vibrational, which is to be expected on a parallel twin. It's, again, not the worst vibrations I've ever felt either, but it's there. And the vibrations aren't so much in the handlebars. I mean, they're there, but not terrible. They're in the foot peg a lot. I mean, a lot. Even with the rubber on the foot peg. It's not unbearable, but it's there. If I were to spend probably 2 hours on this bike, my feet would be numb. So, yeah, that's something to note as well. I like the handlebars and the position of the handlebars. Very wide handlebars. Very wide. So it's very commanding. And it really comes into shine when you get to that stand-up rider position. It really shines at that point. No, but this, you have crash protection on this bike. You have ABS. You have ride-by-wire. You have cruise control. And yeah, the seat is actually really comfortable. There are very little vibrations in the seat, which I'm really happy about. I'm really happy about that. It is a bi-directional quick shifter, which is really good. Oh, self-canceling turn signals. Good. It's full throttle. Quick bike. 3, 2, 1. It's a quick bike. It's not slow by any means. That wasn't, I couldn't really, I don't know, it's like, do I really want to dump the clutch? No. But under standard acceleration and regular kind of riding, it's got plenty of power. It's got plenty of power to do what you need it to do. And other than the foot peg vibration, man, you could spend a lot of time in the saddle. This seat is seat is actually really comfortable for stock. It's got padding in the right spot. It's got padding that comes right across my leg, or underneath the back of my leg. You know, so you don't have that fall off on the seat where you start getting the hard spot. No, the padding on the seat is really good. And the seat's pretty wide too. This bike is honestly, this bike's really good. Just a few little things. And again, in the price category that it's competing with, the other bikes that are in this category also have little quirks. Alright, so right here. Come on. Not a bad U-turn. Easy neutral. Side stand. Dismount. Huh. Key's kind of recessed in there. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. The IBEX 800T. Has a center stand too. That's nice. Running lights. Oh, this bike is actually quite enjoyable. Just the foot peg vibration and the quick shifter are my biggest complaints. The quick shifter's too clunky and the foot pegs just vibrate crazy, so after a while your feet are going to go numb, like I said. But other than that, man, this bike is actually really good. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Everybody stay safe.